How to remove threads from Instagram bio. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can remove threads from Instagram bio. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to remove the threads from Instagram bio, first of all, launch your Instagram application where you have already logged in. Also, where you have already added your Threads account as well. So when you head over to your profile, you can easily find the Threads account under your profile here that says @your username. So that means you already have a Threads username. So if you want to remove that Threads badge from your profile, you just need to follow the steps in order to do it. But before following those steps, I just want you to make sure you have updated your app because the updated version allows you to remove your Threads username very easily compared to the older version. Just head over to your profile. After that, tap on edit profile. After tapping on edit profile, you can see show threads badge option. Just disable this option, and when you disable this option and get back to your profile, you can see your Threads account has been removed successfully. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to remove your Threads badge from your profile bio. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.